So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay. Won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne.
Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you Adobe After Effects Spectrum Template Pack. This is RAR file, you can download link in description, it's free. As you can see, I have already extracted the folder. You can see there have a audio spectrum pack file, so now I'm open this file. You see, there are 20 files, I'm going to open one, because all the same setting. So I'm open this project, just double click to open, just click the mouse left click, then open it. First I'm import my audio file, and images, then click styles folder, and open your music comp, and then I'm paste my music file this timeline, then select end your music. You see they have a control layer, just click and you can change the settings, like spectrum, change text, play color, opposite, progress bar, background color, background images, opacity and many things. I'm finishing here like today, hope you understand. If you do not understand, please let us know in the comments, we will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it be sure to subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thanks.